to a Cefex creativity episode. So today I'm going to teach you how to make colored string bracelets with the braid tag. So you need a scissor and colored strings. So you can use any strings you want. So you don't need a specific type of braid. So to make this kind of bracelet, I have made a lot, and yeah. So to make the bracelet, you need 3 different colored strings. If you want a bracelet with one color, you have to use 3 strings of the same color. If you want, so you need 3 strings. And if you want to make a bracelet with 3 colors, so you can choose your 3 favorite colors, and it's the best. Like it's gonna look the best if those are colors that match. So yeah. So I'm just gonna show you an example by making one. So I choose 3 colors I like, which are this one. So I'm basically going to take all the blues because blue is my favorite color, and I think it looks very well together. So the first step that you're going to do is take your first color and do like a line that's this big. You don't want it to be too short because when you braid it's gonna be smaller, so it's not gonna be big enough to fit in your hand. And yeah. So then you do the next color, and you want the lines to be the same length, all of them, because if not, you are not going to be able to make the bracelet. So I'm just gonna do that and do it at the same length and just cut it. And you do the same with the last color. Okay, so when you have done, when you have cut your 3 strings, you put them all like this and do this so there are no like knots. Then you make a knot to start braiding. So it's very simple. You just do like that and make a circle. Okay, just make a circle, and this that you have here on the right, you put it underneath. And then you take the 3 strings and pull. And then you start braiding. At the beginning, it may be a bit hard, and it may, like the first time you do it, it's maybe going to be very loose. But that's okay. So if you like keep practicing it, it will like look better. So I had to get enough with my brother because there's a lot of stuff. Okay, so yeah. So I think the most important part about making the bracelet is not to not make it more loose, to make it look like smaller, like this one, and not more loose. But you can choose if you want it more loose or more tighter. So it's your own choice. So yeah, let's start braiding. So you want first to make them apart. So you have like the 3 strings separate. Then you take one. You can choose whether it's the left one or the right one, and you put it in the middle. So if you already know how to braid, then you just start braiding. If you don't know how to braid, it's very easy. It's very easy. You just every time you put one in the middle, and then you put. So I just put the dark blue one in the middle, and then you take the left one and put that one in the middle, and then you repeat the process by putting this blue in the middle again, and you have to like tighten it a lot to make it look better. So the first time I did this, it was actually very hard. But when you keep practicing it, it becomes easier and you can do it faster. So it's just a process which it doesn't take a very long time to make one, but if you don't want to do it really fast, just take your time and do it slowly, because it will look better, and you have a lot of time, so you don't need to worry about that. So yeah, and if you make a mistake, which everyone does, I also make mistakes, you can just go back and retry again. And yeah, so I'm just going to do this. So I just finished it, and remember that when you're done, you have to put a knot at the end, and it's exactly the same as the one at the beginning. So then you just put it on and do a double knot, and yeah, that's done. And so it's actually supposed to be like small. If you want to take it off, you're gonna have to cut it, and you can make a new one if you want to. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to Cefex and to Tilly. So